Hi everyone, I'm here guys. Good morning. Once again guys, and happy Wednesday to all of you guys, to all my followers and fans, supporters dyan. Thank you so much po. Good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm here in the river side. I'm here in the river in Makabalan guys. Magandang morning. Magandang morning guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support guys. Dito po ngayon guys sa tabing ilog. Tingnan nyo po, maraming fishing fish. Maraming ng isda guys. Daming boat, may baroto. Tingnan nyo po. Okay. Napakasarap pagmasdan po ng alon at saka yung ilog po. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po. I'm okay right now guys. Yung araw po may lagnat pa ako, may lagnat. May flow pa ako. At ngayon okay na. Pwede na pumasyal char at saka mag-work. It's time to work guys. Thank you so much po. Always support me guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all of you guys. Good morning, good morning. Thank you so much po. Thank you. God bless you. God bless. Thank you.